You know, everybody talks about the Dayton Hamvention. You've heard it your entire time in this hobby. Biggest hamfest in the world, bucket list event. You've got to go at least once. But nobody really tells you why. So let me tell you straight. If you're a serious about ham radio, you need to experience the Dayton Hamvention at least once in your life. And no, I don't mean by watching it right here on HamShackTV on YouTube. I mean by actually being there. Let's talk about why. Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. It certainly helps this channel grow and continue to reach more and more people. Today's episode is brought to you by Gigaparts. Folks, I love Gigaparts. I say it in so many of my videos, and that's not because they're a sponsor of HamShackTV. I truly love what Gigaparts has and what they offer the technology community. Gigaparts is a great store. They've got a physical location at 6123 University Avenue in Huntsville, Alabama. But you can also shop anywhere in the world online in your socks at gigaparts.com. Couple things. If you use my coupon code HamShackTV, you get double rewards points. And those double rewards points, they pay off, give you discounts on stuff in the future. And I don't mean little discounts. I mean some significant discounts. But hey, 2% or double rewards points, I don't think is enough. So why don't you go ahead and get Gigaparts Rewards Plus? Gigaparts Rewards Plus is a fantastic product. Gives you extended warranties, or a perpetual warranty, I should say, extended return windows, 4 times rewards points, 4 times. So you're going to start earning those rewards points even faster. And if you use my coupon code, now this coupon code's different. HamShackTV50, HamShackTV50. You're going to get 50% off your first month of Gigaparts Rewards Plus. And you know what? It's not that expensive anyway. So go check them out, Gigaparts Rewards Plus. And I appreciate the support of Gigaparts here on HamShackTV. All right, let's get right back to the content here. It's not just a hamfest, Dayton Hamvention. Let's get something straight up front. This is not your local hamfest. This isn't a couple of folding tables in a church gymnasium and a box of dusty old Coax connectors. Dayton is on a completely different level. You know, we're talking things like thousands of operators, and I mean thousands. I believe last year they had over 20,000 people in attendance. Massive indoor vendor halls. You can expect all of your favorites: ICOM, Gigaparts, Yaesu, HRO, DX, Kenwood. You can expect all of these folks. Massive indoor vending halls. I think there was 5 last year. Acres. Yeah, you heard me right. Acres of flea market space. Folks, they've got a horse track, and the entire horse track and the infield of that horse track is all flea market. But that's not all. There's still 3 or 4 other parking lots out there in the field in front of all the vendor halls that are also flea market. It's huge, absolutely huge. And you don't walk at Dayton. Let me be clear about that. You don't walk, you cover ground. And the moment you step into the fairgrounds, you realize something really quick. This hobby is a lot bigger than your shack. A lot bigger. I don't care what your interest is, whether it's HF, VHF, digital, old school, new school, you will find what you're looking for at Dayton Hamvention. And I'm talking about things you don't see anywhere else. Vintage rigs you thought were gone forever. You'll find a lot of that. You'll find custom built gear. You'll find one-off antennas. Deals that you're not going to get online. There's something about digging through the flea market that hits different. It's old school ham radio, face-to-face, cash deals, stories behind every piece of gear. That part of the hobby, it's still alive, and Dayton proves it. Now, here's the other great thing. This is the part not enough people talk about. Ham radio can be a lonely hobby if you let it. You're sitting in your shack talking to voices on the air, but at Dayton, you're surrounded by people who get it. You will meet people you've talked to on the air. You'll meet your favorite YouTubers, such as myself, Jason, KC5HWB from Ham Radio 2.0, Josh Nass from Chaos6NAZ from Ham Radio Crash Course, Mike, K8MRD, Ham Radio Tube, KM4ACK, Jason. I mean, you'll meet so many of your favorite YouTubers. You'll also meet guys who have forgotten more about radio than most people will ever learn as well. And the conversations you have there, they will stick with you. That's where the hobby becomes real. Guys, I love Dayton Hamvention. I really do. You can watch all the reviews you want online. There's plenty of them from last year right here on HamShackTV. But there's a difference between watching a radio and putting your hands on it. At Dayton, you'll get to touch the gear. You'll get to test the controls. You'll get to ask real questions. You'll get to see new innovations. You're not guessing anymore. You're making informed decisions. And let's be honest, half the time you walk in thinking you want one thing and walk out realizing something else is a better fit. The energy is different at the Dayton Hamvention. There's an energy you don't get anywhere else. It's not just about buying gear. It's about being a part of something bigger. You've got forums. You've got demonstrations. You've got POTA events. You've got live conversations happening everywhere. It feels like the center of the ham radio universe for one weekend. And when you're there, you feel it. Dayton Hamvention resets your perspective. Here's something most people don't expect. Dayton will change how you look at this hobby. You start to realize things like you don't need the biggest station to enjoy that. We talked about that a couple of days ago right here on HamShackTV. There are 100 different ways to operate. The hobby is evolving, whether people like it or not. You'll see innovation, you'll see tradition, and you'll see both sides coexisting. That's when it clicks. Ham radio isn't dying, it's just changing. Now, let's talk about reality. Let me be honest. Dayton isn't perfect. It is very crowded. It is overwhelming. Let me be clear when I say overwhelming. And if you look back at the videos from last year, if you think you can go to Dayton Hamvention and see everything in one day, you're sadly mistaken. You can if you walk through at a nonstop pace, sure. But you're not going to see everything on the tables. You're not going to see the innovation. If you're coming to Dayton Hamvention, you need to make a weekend of it. Dayton Hamvention's open for 3 days. I suggest you be at all 3 days, at least 2 days. It is overwhelming because it's huge. And folks, your feet will hurt. Do not wear flip-flops to Dayton Hamvention. That is a mistake. That's mistake number 1. I made that last year. If you do have some mobility issues, they do have scooters available for rent. So don't let the feet hurt thing bother you. And the other thing is you will spend more money than you planned. I can 100% guarantee that. But that's part of it because the experience outweighs all of that. Now, here's why you need to get to Hamvention at least once in your lifetime. You don't have to go every year. Some people do, and that's great. But at least once, you owe it to yourself because this hobby is bigger than your local repeater. It's bigger than your shack. And Dayton is where you go to see that for yourself. Now, if you've ever been to Dayton Hamvention, or if you've never been, I should say, put it on your list. If not this year, do it next year. Make the trip. Take the time. because once you go, you'll understand why people keep coming back over and over again. When I went for the first time last year, I said after day one, I'd be back at least this year, if not every year going forward. It's so much fun. I hope to see you there. If you do see me at the Hamvention, come up and say hi. Get your HamShackTV sticker. Don't forget to check out my friends at Gigaparts. I'll see you in the next video. 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.